Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Say warm welcome from Relangimammaya Coding Center. So we in part one introduction of Git and GitHub, we discussed many things. So how to create repo and how to upload files, how to create a account in GitHub, and how to push the files in GitHub. So we discussed many things, I thought, but some of the topics are left behind. So I want to share with you. It can be help with you. It can be help you in future when you are using GitHub and Git. So now in this video we are going through the installation of Git, and we are talking some of the commands which are using it. So CLI command line interface, and we also discussing about cloning and forking. So we also have one assignment which is Coursera. So from that we have two more assignments. In that we discuss about how to upload the files by using command line interface and user interface. So, without wasting our time, let's just dive into the concepts. First of all, our main thing we want to discuss how to download the Git and how to set up the environment of the Git in your laptops. So, let's go through just Git installation. You can fix it. So, I am using Windows. So this here we can go to Git downloads. So here the downloads available for Mac OS, Windows, Linux and Unix. It is open source, so we can download here with a free cost. So I want to download in Windows, so I am selecting Windows. So here standalone installation installer and portable, and my laptop is 64-bit, so I'm going through this link. Once you click the this button, the download will be automatically started. No, I'm paused my download because before itself I'm using Git uh, about 1 year. I am working on Git. I'm learning many things here. So I also installed it, but once you want to understand, I am the installation environment for you. Once the you double click on that, you can see this. You click on the yes, certain changes you want to made in your laptop. Okay, click on next. So check out the box which you want to do. Additional icons, and a shortcut icon in your desktop or Git bash Git. Previously it can be check it itself. It using 292 MB of your disk space. So I just clicking next only. So you want to just auto default, it can be select. So I selected Git from command line interface third party app also, because when we are using any third party app used like VS Code anything, then it can be help. So it is a open SSH, used for a security purpose. So I will discuss in later. So you want to auto select with there. You want to just click on the next. So it a fast forward and merge can be auto selected. You just want to click on the next. So go through. So I just clicking on the finish. It's just a release note of the HTML. So I using VS Code. Yeah, this is We'll take new terminal. Let's work out on GitHub commands which we want to know. Okay, let's start our video with GitHub commands. I just creating one repo for me. So make directory of my repo. I just repos, just taking that, created my repos. You can see here I just already created my repo, so I'm using my repos. So next I want to change the directory of so cd my repos, you can see here, and you want to initialize the git, you want to initialize it. So I'm using git int, so initialize it empty git repository in that. So once you will go through the files, you can see here in my repos I just created, it will be hidden file created, initialized. So one empty file git my repos is created. So let's see what is happening in the, we will see other commands like we are I will just go to the my repos and I will create one new file. So in my laptop the touch command is not working, so I want to go through it, but we can, touch is used for to create a new file. I can create here only, so no problem. So I just want to create a new file, one text document, new dot new. So one new file is created. Here you can see the properties. So so new.txt is created. So we can git add. I am adding my new file. So new.txt to the git. So git commit for commit, I am committing the changes in my repo. So I just committing my changes which I created new file in that, so that I am committing. I just giving uh, one statement, that is add a new file, like that. Then you can see, so here the one file is changed, so you can see the created mode. So this is local repository. So see one thing, so when you are go through the organization, when you go to the organization, their group of members are working, so in that laptop. So this is GitHub is a center point, which is a main central point where you upload your project. So I'm telling that from past video, this is a central point. Your which I am working, I am creating new .text file. It is a local repository. So uh, you want to create it. Some of the commands are there to work on local repository. You create one file is changed and a zero insertion. So all these commands are used to work on your things. Okay, these some of the commands, these are, don't confuse it. So once uh, every repo has some branches. So one branch is, it is a master branch. So you can see a master root commit. So I will just go through it. Master branch. So okay, new dot text file is created. Now that the real story is started, uh, new dot text file is created. It is master file. You want to changes, you want to do some changes, so I can create one separate branch. So master file will be not affected. So when you are using the another branch, there I can work with the same content, with doing changes in file, and I want to merge it with the original file. Like that, you working in center point. So visual means GitHub is a center point. So it is a master branch. Once the developer fork it in your laptop, he will create another branch. He will not work on master branch. He will create another branch. He will make changes in that branch. Again, once the changes are over, then he will merge into original master branch. If the administrator who are lead to that project, then he will check if the changes are good enough. He can access it and pull request it. He can merge it. So employer pull request, make pull request. Uh, may our lead will be merge the changes into the main branch. Hope you understand, and where I struggle to explain it in a better way, but I think you understand well. So let's create we are in a master branch, so I'm creating one new branch, git branch, my first branch. So branch is created, another branch. To check what branches are there. So in above file, so it is a master and created, and below you created another branch. So it is my first branch. It is showing you want to switch into that branch. So we are using git checkout for switching the branch to my first branch. So git checkout my first branch to switch to that branch. Okay, switch it to the branch. So now you'll see which branch we are now. So star mark is showing there. So get my first branch we are now. So i just uh, I just making some changes in that. So echoing means printing the some text in the my text new dot text file. So you can see here, hello, I am a good content creator, good content creator, please subscribe, do subscribe. So I should tell uh, to subscribe you, to subscribe my channel. So some miscommunications because I am new to this industry, like sorry, not industry, like this place, to create a content to teach you. Just learning and how to deliver betterly. So please forgive me. I will do more better videos. So I want to give knowledge for you. So I just entered the content. We will see what is in cat for printing we what new dot text file is having. You can see, hello, I am a good content creator. So once you go through my repos and hello, I am a good content creator, please subscribe. So it changed it. So I am working on uh, I'm working on VS Code, but it changed the content in a new dot text. So it's good happening. So no problem for me. Till now we'll go one by one. So the git status. So what we done now till now. So we modified a new dot text file. So we changes uh, not committed till now, but we modified the file. So you want to add and push into the main repo. So let's git commit. You can see here the just guys, you can see here I just added new .text file to the repo. So local repo I just committed. So you can see the first commit one file change it. So git log what we done till now. So last two things you can see here, the commit which I hit to my first, this is first add a new file, the master, and that first commit. So which I done. So you can understand what I done till now. So git log is useful for us now. I just going through the git checkout master to master branch. I'm going to master branch. So you can see the what's happening. So we are just going to master branch. uh, I'm saying that git merge. So please merge my file to master branch. So you can see updating fast forward new text on file changer. So just uh, change it. So here I made changes in my first branch. So I made changes in first branch, my first branch, and I just created my first branch and made changes and uh, take that content into master branch. So I can delete now. Just see the first you add a new file. So and then you head to master, first branch first commit. So which I done now. I deleting my first branch. So you can see uh, I use git branch dash d for deleting my first branch. So deleted. You can see git branch. So now here we got it. So you can see here my repos and new. So I'm a good creator. So we'll discuss all these things. Now you can successfully done all this, creating one new branch and making changes in that and using that content to merge with master branch. All these things you created. Now you can push it to the main directory like I just created. See, you one minute. I created this just a second before, which before the video content I'm creating. So I all these things have happened. Whew, that's the problem. I just not. make changes in that. So hope all good happened. So let's see what happened to Rod's repository. Record. There, there you go. I added the new .text file to the Rod's repository from from report repository. Hope you all understand what I teach to you, and I made my content, but some flaws are there from my side to understand you, to create you, all things. So, so simply once again, I will tell you what I done. So I just uh, used one local. I created one local folder. I will tell you orally. I created one local folder. So I changed it to my repos and created one new .text file. So I just it was in master branch. I created another branch. So there you can my first branch, there I changed my text file, my content. I just merged the content to original master branch, and again I used this file, remote file, to add to the large file. You can, these all that happened. So I tried to explain you in better way, but hope you guys understand me well. Oh, guys, now another assignment is still there, so we'll see that. After that, you can, if we created that assignment, you can easily uh, tell me that this will be a good video. So here is our assignment which we want to do. So I can explain you the what we have two assignments, final project 1 and final project 2. So I can explain you by using this PDF, so you can easily understand what is there. See what is the GitHub user interface and what is the GitHub command line interface. Then you can work easily and do miracles in GitHub. So So some of the basics I'm teaching now, once you do practically, then only you can understand what is going there. So our main thing which you want to do till now, first you want to create a repository. So I just created I already done going through this things. So you want to, I just want to explain you how I done. So see, create one repository. We all done in a previous video, creating one repository by using just going to plus symbol, which you can see here, new repository. You can add the repository and select appropriate license. Okay, we'll do once again. So you can see here. So select the name of the repository as a name of the repository as a GitHub final project. Just done. I will show you again. So the public only you can give. The description is not mandatory here, so I just leaving that. So choose a license. So he was using the yeah, license. You can Apache license 2.0, which you want to maintain that your project will be secure by using these license. So here he was said that to Apache 2.0 license from the drop down box, create repository. So I created repository before only, so I'm not creating again. So we can go through that. Let's see how many repositories I have. I have till now 11 repositories only, because I don't show much interested on GitHub, because I did not done many things. I just involved on one internship, which you can see here. So via this internship, so I just worked on one website. So by using JavaScript and by using Java, you can see the resume builder and online survey task. Oh, the Oasis internship, I have a separate folder I just created. Now you can see what so we code. So I just made a 3 task on that landing page, my portfolio, temperature converter. So all these things about to 11 only I done. I will more do in future. GitHub final project. I previously done for you, so I just showing what to do. And once you complete this assignment, you can be good at things. Okay, you can I can say you can be have good knowledge. As part of the task one, you pick a license when creating the open license MD file and save the URL. This is a license file. You selected Apache 2.4 for using for your repository. Permissions, commercial use, modification, distribution, and patent use, private use, trademark use, limitations which applying, which is given by Apache 2.0 is term and conditions. These all is secure for you for when you're doing some good value project. Then okay, we'll go through the go to on the step. So here, update the readme file which you are doing. So I just created the readme file. I shown you in when creating a new repository only. Here will be a checkbox for you to create readme file. So this is readme file which I copy and paste in it. Just go to the file. Once if you created, you edit this file, so you can paste it here. Oh, all this happens good. So I just want to create one new file so which is so create new file. So you can see here, once you say that, you can give the name of the code of content.md. It is a file you want to give to the your audience how to use this repository, how to all these instructions you can give in this file. Once you give the name of the this to in your name, you can see what will you show. The choose the code of content template, because it is predefined. So I already made it. So once you done all these things, commit the changes and click contribute comment. So then click review and submit, scroll the button, and use that into this is an assignment which given by the IBM. So in Coursera I just doing these things. So I just want to give this knowledge by using simply, but it was have a very huge length for about 2 many weeks. So I just creating these in 2 videos. So all information in here is simply in 2 videos. Let's see what best you will think. So add contribution guidelines, how to contribute, all these things. Copy the file, these things I just created, and paste it here. And so it's all happened. I simply creating the file and pasting here, the hosting, creating new file, simple interest.sh in the root, and making that. So you all done here. So edit the file user. Go to the simple interest.sh. It saying that go to there and edit it with your name. So all this happened. Now you created one file, one repo. Okay, good thing happened. Now, so I said in before, forking and cloning. So these two topics are very important. So you're working on a user interface to create and doing things by using these options. Now you want to work, you want to fork it, you want to clone it. So this is another organization. When you went to another organization, it's like okay, let's see IBM. So IBM Plex, Big Fang, IBM Terraform. These all are repos. So by here you can see IBM TJ board, Raspberry using Watson, JavaScript. It is using JavaScript. So it is a repo which created in one organization by one of the organization, IBM TJ board. Here TJ board is a repository. So you want to work on it, first you want to fork it. So once you click on the fork, you can see the repository name, the optional one, create a fork. So it is a duplicate of the original one. Original will be here in that only. So you can see Ashur in my account. You can see that 12 repositories changed. Now you can see TJ bot is added to me. So once it is added, I can. So forking is it is happened. So you can go through the we all are created license contributing.md, content.md, readme file which we want to give the basic knowledge of the repository, makers kit, or collections of dy, and all this is basic knowledge of what to know. I don't have much knowledge. I want to read it. first time I am creating this, I forking this, so I just want to take more time to understand it. But you can how to fork is like this. You just click on the fork and okay, you created and you want to make some changes. So the contribution was not contribution is read only. So can't creating. I just making some changes creating. So I just committing the changes update. You commit message update, saving that file. Once you later you want to do pull request to ask them the TJ board for new pull request. You committed, you created to creating. You just went to the pull request, create pull request, uh, create pull request, update, create pull request. So here you can see that IBM TJ board pull to 233 issue number 233. It is added to that. I just made one change in the file and commit the changes uh, and given to them. They are showing this branch has no conflicts with the base branch. Only those with right access to the can match pull request is showing this. So we are successfully given merge request, pull request, but they are not merged. So these how we can make forking that and use this. So this is open source contribution. So when you go through the that file, like so I went to the file like again. So when you go through this file, so you can see issues, what issues this repository, this project is facing. Get started with discussion. These all are issues. So you went through it, small issues, small mistakes will be there, so you will go through and change. When you change and when you pull request, when you commit the changes and pull request, when there is good content with you, they can be matched with it. So it will help you a lot. So these are basic. This is forking, and you can also do this like so going through the once you fork, you want to work in remote you want to work in local environment. So you done. So you want to work in remote environment. So you just fork it. You can work in this there by using user interface. You change it and commit it. You want to do in VS Code, or you want to download the file. So just going, this is cloning. The cloning, you just go through the download zip file. So once you click this, the download will be start, and the you can click on this, you can copy this and went to VS Code, git clone. So I will show git clone. So cloning TJ port. So by using this, you can see two downloads will be there. One TJ port by using a CLI I created. So TJ port created. Another one is, so it is a downloads which is zip file. So I just added to the zip file. See, it is a zip file. So all these things I explained you very well. I thought I'm thinking that. So uh, this is cloning and forking and doing pull request and matching the pull request and creating new branch and matching in that. Star is like other people who can be starred, how many you like it, and all these things about Git is happened. I'll explain it. Thank you for watching this amazing video. I thinking that so be focusing on open source and remote work, anything. So happy to see you for in my video. So do comment on what to do in next videos, and I already made a big length introduction video for our full stack. In that we want to get a knowledge about things like GitHub, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, or this GitHub also one of the video for our full stack development. You want to know the basic things you want to know. That's all. So my communication is very good, I thought. I will improve my communication. You want to just like, share, and subscribe our channel, Relangimammaya Coding Center. We will get into a bang with another video with creating one login interface. There you can learn about how to create a sign up interface and a sign in interface, and how to connect it with the database and Express server. All these things, once I started, it will be another long video. So I'm signing off uh, from this video. Thank you very much. This is all about a Git. Be stick on to our content. Thank you. Please tell to your friends to join our playlist and all.
Thank you guys. Thank you for seeing the video. Thank you.